No one can stop modernization. That's what Transportation Chief Vince Dizon said at the start of the three-day transport strike by the group Manibela. The strike was sparked by what they say are conflicting statements from the DOTR and the LTFRB regarding the franchise consolidation of public utility vehicles for the modernization program.
Kailangan i-validate natin ang numero. Yung mga nag-consolidate na, kailangan suportahan natin sila para tuloy-tuloy ang modernization. No? Pero kailangan nating tignan din ano ba ang totoong situation on the ground. No? And kung ano ang kailangan gawin ng gobyerno para maging successful ito, dapat gawin. No, pero kung ang ibig sabihin niyan, hindi muna natin ipipilit ng mabilisan ang nationwide implementation, then I think we will have to make that decision soon.
According to Secretary Dizon, 86% of applications for the program have been submitted and over 40% have already been approved. The remaining applications are still being processed. The Secretary is now waiting for an explanation from the LTFRB regarding these numbers and expects solutions within 2 weeks.
Komplikado itong pagpapalit ng mga traditional jeep papunta sa modern jeep. No? Maraming mga aspeto to. Economic, kailangan dito tignan yung social, kailangan tignan yung, and pinaka-importante dito, yung route rationalization. No? So yun ang kailangan, kasi yun ang talaga magbibigay ng viability doon sa pag-transition.
The government has also made it clear they won't force transport groups that are still unsure about the program to participate in modernization. Secretary Dizon stressed the importance of listening to these groups and addressing their concerns.
Ang desisyon natin ay magbabase sa datos na makukuha natin tsaka sa mga issues na makukuha natin sa ating mga transport groups. No? And that will mean looking at the implementation schedule of the PUV modernization. Meron na kasing mga ongoing na eh. Hindi natin ihihinto yun.
After meeting with Piston Group last Friday, Secretary Dizon is set to meet with 2 more transport groups this week, hoping that Manibela will join the discussions. He's also urging the group to consider limiting their protests to just 1 day. In the midst of the transport strike, the DOTR announced the extended nighttime operations for MRT3 and more trains during peak hours. To help affected commuters, additional trains for LRT1 and buses on the EDSA carousel are also available. For BNC Mobility, G. Baroga.